Hello friends. Today's video is about personality grooming for my female friends, for girls, for beautiful ladies. So namaste ladies. This video I've designed specially for you friends so that you can share it and let's groom our personalities. Okay? So whether we are taking care of our kids or maybe we are a student or we are sitting at home and doing work from home or we are going to any office, these are the few tips which will help you in grooming up your personality. See friends, we often neglect ourselves because of so many reasons. But it's high time. It's time to revamp ourselves. Why not give a chance to our own life and bring a shine that is hidden inside all of us? So very small and beautiful tips I'm going to share with you. Tip 1. Whenever you see somebody, whomsoever, even if you know him or even if the person is quite unknown to you, but when you meet somebody, either in your family or your neighbor, maybe in your office, always meet with a gentle smile on your face. This small smile can work wonders for you. This will change the other person's mind. It can dilute the negative feelings and bring back the positive and happiness in any situation. Your smile will bring smile to others' face also. It will give a very good impression of yours. Your first impression will be awesome. Person standing in front of you will really pay attention to you. It gives a silent message that I do not hate you. See friends, this is really important for others to know that when you meet someone, they in their mind, in their body, they create an image, and when you smile, it says that yes, the person in front of you is acceptable to you and you do not hate others. Your smile can remove the differences and misunderstandings in any relationship. So, be gentle in your smile. Now, tip number 2. Avoid unnecessary debates and arguments. Try to be polite at those times. You may say like, let's leave it for the moment, or you can say like, we will get back on this topic another time. See, we need to pause the situation for the moment. This will help us to maintain our own self-respect and the respect of the other person as well. Maybe later when things get cooled down, we can discuss the things comfortably in a very comfortable tone. When you make yourself and others comfortable, things will be on the receptive mode. They will try to understand your point of view as well. This will maintain your power of speaking, your respect, and others will be willing to listen what you want to say. Now tip number 3. Don't always keep blaming others, nagging. See, results are uncomfortable. When we start nagging, people start avoiding us. They would not even sit behind us or sit near to us. We can't expect good results when we keep on blaming others for different reasons. Yes, I understand they may have made a mistake, they may have hurted you, but it's an art. It's an art of making others to understand that they had making a mistake and that mistake is need to be admitted. Pointing out the faults, that will not make you the best woman of the world. For this particular point, we will discuss how to handle this blame and how to make others understand. Stay tuned with me for this particular thing. We'll be coming on this in our further videos. Tip number 4. Your body posture. We see on the daily basis that we keep on sitting, we keep on walking without even knowing how do we walk, how do we sit. We don't even look at the body posture. Please try to keep your shoulders and your spinal cord, your back, straight. Don't bend your shoulders inside. This lowers down your confidence. Even if you are having some problem, even if you are inside having a pain, don't show it on your face. Don't make, don't keep on making faces all time or frequently. Walk with the straight shoulders, straight spine. Straight gives you strength. You need not to be arrogant in your body posture. But we need to be confident. Whatever outfit or dress you are wearing, just be comfortable and be happy in wearing it. Yeah, for sure, that should not be so much odd for others to bear with you. This is just a start of what I wanted to explain. There's a lot more which I want to share. But I would like to know whether you like this video, you like this concept or not. So just stay tuned with me and do write your comments in the box and let me know, did you like or no? If you like it, what are the other points you would love to understand from me? We can always have a one-to-one conversation, or if you want to have some more tips on the idea, which obviously I would be giving in the further videos. So you can connect with me at my email ID smitaodich@gmail.com. Thank you friends. Have a good day.